Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to install these Hampton Bay 2-pack exterior wall lantern. It has a nice kind of frosted glass that looks like it already has rain or like it's wet right now. So if you would like to see how to install exterior lighting or these particular lights, go ahead and keep on watching.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. Today on DIY with Chris.
Hello DIYers, we're on another home improvement project. Right now we're just trying to give a little bit of curb appeal to our house, so we're going to be replacing these old sconces out here, the exterior lighting. So we're going to be going for these Hampton Bay exterior wall lanterns. This is a 2-pack and it's for wet locations here in Washington. We get lots of water, so these were about $35, so it's pretty cheap for the pack, and we like the style of these. We think it's going to go better with the overall look that we're going for the house. Right now we're going to start with taking these ones down. So generally you're going to find a lot of these will have these little nuts on the face. You're going to want to hold that up and unscrew those nuts. You're going to want to be prepared with tools. Generally you're going to want some wire cutters or pliers, with some wire strippers, a drill, some electrical tape, might need a level, and then a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. So now that we have this removed down right here, we're going to be able to go ahead and start undoing these wiring bundles. We're going to pull these wiring bundles out. That one just switch, make sure that your electrical is off too. Ours is. We're going to pull these old wiring bundles out and then pull those electrical caps off. Now when we replace them, we're going to be matching up the same wiring in the wiring bundles that are currently set up together. We're going to start off on this one. We do have one on either side, and so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this other bracket. We do have the new lights right here. As you can see, they do kind of have the wet looking glass, so that's going to be a size comparison there, but it does have its own bracket on there. So we're going to remove the old one and then start feeding this back into place. So we have the new one here. We just put the new bracket on there. I always like to go ahead and install the bracket that comes with this, just in case the old lights that were taken down are only compatible with their own. So the wiring system that's currently ran through this house is about 30 years old, and so I don't have this ground wire coming from the light going to this one. It's going to the wiring bundle that's already in there, and that's how it was previously hooked up. So we just matched the black with the black, the white with the white, and then the ground with the ground, and so all of those have those electrical caps on. These little screws right here are going to feed through the front. You can adjust them as needed. I'm going to go ahead and try to tuck these back the best I can. I don't see any wires sticking out. You can also, because of that bracket, you can turn it as you need and level it. And then the screw caps are right here, and we just need to screw it on. So again, if you need to allow for more more of the screw to come out to hook onto, then you can adjust it. And that's what it looks like in the end. This is completely ornamental. It doesn't actually hang on anything. It is this wire that comes back here, and that is the wiring that's actually ran to the light. So it does have the frosted glass or kind of the rain look right here, and it is open bottom, so it's easy to get that new light out. This is what it currently looks like. We'll turn it on as soon as we get the other one replaced, that you can see them both on at the same time, but that's pretty much it. Alright, we just finished hooking them up and we turned the power back on, and this is what they look like. So you can go ahead and so you can see both sides. If you have any questions, please let us know. I'd greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see whenever we post up new content, and share these videos. It's really going to help us out. Please, if you see questions down below that I haven't gotten to yet, if you have an answer to them, go ahead and do so. That is really what this whole community is about. And other than that, have a great day, DIYers.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. Today on DIY with Chris.